Mom, that haircut makes you look like you stuck your finger in a socket.
That's so rude.
And you, Mr. Barber, did you use scissors or a lawnmower?
I'm a professional.
Professional disaster artist. Mom's head looks like a bird's nest. Hello, New York. Can you hear me all the way to Brooklyn? I wish every single human here happiness, peace, and zero traffic tickets.
Attention humans of New York, Officer Parrot reporting. With Christmas energy, I wish every single one of you happiness, laughter, and zero parking tickets.
Oh, even I approve
And
this
yes,
message.
an imaginary delicious cake is being delivered to all my